Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim 30 million download celebration in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Heartopia has just given us a reward because of the 30 million downloads. And if you want to claim the rewards, you need to go to your mailbox, open up your watch first and go to the mailbox. Okay, and you will get this message, 30 million download celebration. Okay, it says time to celebrate. 30 million players among the world join Heartopia, and the rewards are so crazy. You will get balloon and then wishing stars and flawless floret, and then this mermaid fish attractor and mermaid perfume, and this one rainbow breathing powder. And I'd like to claim them all. Oh my god, but my backpack is full guys, so I need to um free up my backpack first. But yeah, okay, if you want to claim it, just go to your mailbox and you will get all those rewards for free. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim 3 million download celebration in 3 million download celebration rewards in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.